Okay, so boom, we're jumping right into it. So yeah, I did dye this wig black, and I plucked it just a little bit, y'all. Just a little bit, because I did not want to over pluck. As you're gonna see, I plucked just a tiny bit.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
So y'all, I think I did 4 layers of this glue, only because I was going somewhere and I didn't want the lace to lift at all. But when I installed it again for the second time, as you'll see at the end of the video, I only used 2 layers, and I think I'm just going to use 2 layers with this, because when I used 4 layers, it got like really gooey, if that makes sense, and I didn't like that. So yeah, next time I will not be using so many layers.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away.
Oh, I'm looking a mess. I don't have no makeup on, y'all. I just have my eyebrows done. But yeah, this review it's gonna be a little bit all over the place. So basically, I got this wig 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I installed it. And then when I installed it, I went on like a little vacation, so I didn't film like the actual, like I didn't take any pictures of the hair. So this is my second time installing this hair, and this is a completely honest review. I paid for this wig with my own money. It was not sent to me, nothing like that. Do I recommend this wig? Yes. As far as the density goes, it's not thin, but it's not thick. It's just a natural density. It says 150. In my opinion, it's just natural. Like on camera stuff, I feel like it looks thicker than what it is. But yeah, y'all, I need to beat my face and like come back. Okay, so I'm finally back. This is my third time trying to record this video for you guys, but I'm finally back, and I decided to style it in a half up, half down with a little bang going on right here. So yeah, again, this wig is from Amazon. It's from Ucrown hair. It's a 13x4. It's supposed to be 30 inches. I'm not really sure. It looks more like a 28 inch to me, but I'm not gonna complain for 2 inches. But yeah, let's get into it, y'all. So let me zoom in. So this is what the lace is looking like. I could have done my baby hairs a little bit better, I do know that, but they were like stuck in this position because I had it styled another way, and like they would not move. So yeah, but that's what the lace is looking like. It's a 13x4. I love this wig. It does get frizzy sometimes and light tangles. Now people say that it sheds a lot, and I have not experienced that shedding part. And this is my second time installing the wig. I installed it yesterday on New Year's Eve. Today is New Year's, and I installed it in this half up, half down, and yeah, it does not shed a lot. Now I do keep a comb on me. I keep a wide tooth comb on me wherever I go because, like I said, it does tend to tangle. But again, y'all, this is an Amazon wig, and it's 30 inches for only $270. So yeah, but I definitely recommend this wig. I will put the link down in the description box. Again, this is not sponsored. This was not sent to me. I paid for this with my money. So this is an honest review. Okay, so you don't have to worry about none of that. But again, yeah, I was a little skeptical. I was a little nervous to get this wig because I'm like the reviews, and some were saying that it was nice, some were saying like not to get it, to run. So I don't know, but yeah, I dyed it black, and I love it. Like, I love it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like, and I think I'm getting better. I think I'm getting better with my installs, y'all. I'm getting better because I'm still learning, but I'm definitely getting better. I can tell. This is how long it is. Black. So yeah, it's about 30 inches. Y'all, I just love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, again, let me know what you guys think down below. Did I put you on game? Go ahead and get you a 30-inch wig, sis. 30-inch wig for less than $300. Like, 30-inch wigs be like $400 to $600. Like, come on, sis, come on. But we bought them on a budget over here. We bought them on a budget. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Now it's time to take pictures. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.